Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
To customize a standard report after running it to change its most common settings, change the option shown at the top of the report. To regenerate the report after changing these settings, click the Run Report button in this section. The available settings change for each report. These are also not all the customization options available, just the most commonly changed report settings. To collapse and expand this section, click the arrow in the lower right corner of the Report Customization section. Customization options also often appear in a toolbar at the top of a report after running it. Options commonly shown here include a Expand Collapse link, a Sort dropdown, an Add Notes link, and for balance sheet and profit and loss reports, an Edit Titles link. To expand and collapse subaccounts in reports containing subaccount data, click the Expand or Collapse link. To choose how to sort the report, select a choice from the Sort dropdown. To add notes to the bottom of the report, click the Add Notes link. For balance sheet and profit and loss reports, to rename the default report sections if needed, click the Edit Titles link, enter the new titles in the window that then appears, and then click the Save button. To customize the report title, company name, or logo in the report header, hover over the report's header information and then click the Edit icon, which looks like a pencil and which appears to the right of the company name in the report header. To show a logo, you must have uploaded a logo within the company name section of the company settings in the Account and Settings window first. If so, then check the Show Logo checkbox to show that logo in the report. If you did not upload a logo, then nothing appears here in the report. To change the company name, edit the value in the Company Name field. To change the report's title, edit the value in the Report Title field. To apply the changes, click into the blank area in the Report toolbar above this section. To fully customize a report after opening it, click the Customize button in the upper right corner of the window to open a Customize Report pane at the right side of the window. The Customize Report pane lets you access all the report's customization options within its sections. These sections are General, Rows and Columns, Aging for aging reports only, Filter, and Header/Footer. You can click each section's label to expand and collapse its options. The options in each section vary based on the selected report. To close this pane without changing its options, click the X button in its upper right corner. Alternatively, to run the report and apply the changed settings, click the Run Report button at the bottom of the pane. The next several lessons look at what you can expect to customize in each section of this pane.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.